Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Biscuit House. Start by planning your layout and gathering biscuits, icing, and a flat board for assembly. I will guide you through choosing biscuit types, creating strong joints with royal icing, and building walls that lock together without collapsing. Follow pacing tips so pieces set well between steps, and learn simple decorative finishes to make your biscuit house look polished and festive for display. Gather materials before you start to keep momentum and prevent icing from drying out. Choose biscuits that are uniform in size and thickness to make alignment easier, and prepare royal icing with a stable, thick consistency for strong bonds. Chill finish sections briefly to speed setting, and use an offset spatula for smoothing joints and piping bags for precise decoration. This preparation saves time and reduces frustration. Begin by laying out the base and piping a thick continuous bead of royal icing where biscuits meet so the foundation is strong. Erect each wall individually, pressing biscuits gently into the icing and bracing them until they hold position, then let partial set to avoid collapse. For the roof, create angled supports and add panels one at a time, sealing every seam with additional icing, and finish with decorative piping and candies once fully stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.